front of me is OPPO A57s, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose about device. Now you need to click on device name section and type in whatever you wish to. I will go with Wednesday. When you're ready, you can save your changes by tapping on Save. As you can see, after that, name of my OPPO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!